Welcome back to Stoicism Insights, your guide to ancient wisdom in the modern world. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: how Stoic principles can make others miss you badly. Yes, you heard it right. The timeless wisdom of Stoicism holds secrets that can deeply impact the way people perceive your absence. So, grab a seat and prepare to uncover the unexpected power of Stoic philosophy. The first principle of Stoicism, understanding impermanence, is a profound reminder of life's fleeting nature. Stoics teach us that everything, people, experiences, and even our own existence, is transient. By embracing this reality, we gain a deeper appreciation for the present moment and the relationships we cherish. When we fully immerse ourselves in the here and now, savoring every interaction and experience, we naturally foster deeper connections with those around us. Consequently, when we're not present, the void left by our absence is felt more keenly. Others long for our company, reminiscing about the meaningful moments shared and yearning for our return. This understanding of impermanence prompts us to live more fully, making the most of every moment and leaving an indelible mark on those we encounter. Cultivating inner strength, the second principle of Stoicism, is essential for navigating life's challenges with resilience and fortitude. Stoics emphasize the importance of developing virtues such as courage and wisdom, which serve as pillars of strength in times of adversity. When we embody these virtues, our inner strength shines through in our actions and demeanor, leaving a lasting impression on those around us. Others come to rely on us for guidance and support, admiring our ability to remain steadfast in the face of adversity. Consequently, when we're not there to offer our steady presence, the void left by our absence is palpable. Our absence serves as a stark reminder of the strength and reassurance we provide, leaving others longing for our return. Practicing detachment, the third principle of Stoicism, is crucial for finding peace amidst life's uncertainties. Stoics urge us to focus on what's within our control and let go of attachment to external outcomes. By relinquishing our grip on fleeting desires and expectations, we free ourselves from unnecessary worry and anxiety. When we embody this principle, we become beacons of calm amidst chaos, radiating a sense of inner peace that others find captivating. In our absence, others yearn for the tranquility that our presence brings, longing for the comfort and reassurance we offer. Our absence serves as a testament to the peace and serenity we embody, leaving others longing for our return. Living in alignment with virtue, the fourth principle of Stoicism, is essential for leading a life of moral excellence and integrity. Stoics advocate for striving to be the best versions of ourselves, inspiring admiration and respect in others. When we embody virtues such as honesty, compassion, and fairness, our actions leave a lasting impact on those around us. Others look up to us as role models, longing for the positive influence and guidance we provide. In our absence, the void left by our presence is palpable, serving as a reminder of the moral compass we bring to their lives. Embracing acceptance, the fifth and final principle of Stoicism, is essential for finding peace amidst life's uncertainties. Stoics teach us to accept the things we cannot change and find contentment in the present moment. By embracing life's uncertainties with grace, we free ourselves from unnecessary suffering and find peace amidst adversity. When we embody this principle, we radiate a sense of inner peace and contentment that others find captivating. In our absence, others long for the tranquility that our presence brings, yearning for the comfort and reassurance we offer. Our absence serves as a reminder of the peace and serenity we embody, leaving others longing for our return. And there you have it, dear viewers, another insightful exploration into the world of Stoicism. But before you go, I want you to ponder this. How can you apply these Stoic principles to leave a lasting impression on those around you? Stay tuned for more thought-provoking discussions on Stoicism Insights. Until next time, embrace impermanence, cultivate inner strength, practice detachment, live in alignment with virtue, and embrace acceptance. Remember, the wisdom of the Stoics holds the key to a life well lived.